Hello dear friends, welcome to our company channel. This is Charles from GraceSolar China, and here I'm in the showing room of GraceSolar factory. And today we are going to make an introduction of this product, the roof mounting system with hook. So the designing of this is to make sure you don't want to make your rooftop broken. And here is the clamp. As can be seen, all of our products is pre-assembled, so it's easy to install. Here's all for today, and if you have more in question, please follow us in YouTube, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Thank you.